Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the startup sound on Windows 10 11. So guys, very easy. If you want to enable or disable the startup sound on Windows 10 or 11, first click on Start, type here settings, open settings, turn settings. After guys, click on personalization. After click on themes, here option sound, click it sound, wait for a while. If you want to turn on, so uncheck this box, click on apply, click on OK. That's so guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable or disable the startup sound on Windows 10 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video full or not. Thank you for watching.